Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the Windows display error. So this is applicable for your Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'm going to share two different methods. So just simply try as to what method or solution will best work for you. So first is we need to try a simple restart because sometimes restarting your Windows that can fix an issue because that will refresh all the system processes on your Windows. So make a right click at the start button and then shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Try restarting first before you can go on with the next method. Now for the next method is we need to make sure that the graphics card driver of our Windows is up to date. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Best match device manager, simply click on that. Now here in the device manager window, locate the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now you might have a different graphics card driver from mine. Well, the process is just the same. Make a right click, select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this windows and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then for the next method is we can also run the Windows security scan to check for any threats on our Windows. So for that, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type security. You'll find Windows security under the best match. Then you have to click on virus and threat protection in the left pane. You'll find scan options. Click on that. And you have quick scan, but this will just check for some folders on your Windows. But if you're in a hurry, you can go with quick scan. But I suggest that you need to go with full scan because this will check all the files on your entire system. Click on scan now. Anyway, you can just simply minimize this window and then continue your work on your Windows. And then once the process is done, just simply close out of here and then restart your Windows afterwards. Then for the next method is we can also go ahead in the Windows search bar and type system configuration. This one, click on that. Now this window will appear. Click on the Services tab. Check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable all. Then click on the Startup tab. Click on Open Task Manager. Now click on Startup Apps. Make sure that you have changed the status from enabled to disabled. And then you just have to disable all the unnecessary startup programs on your Windows by simply make a right click and then select Disable. And once done, you have to select Apply and then OK, and then you have to click on the restart option. Then for the next method, we can also run the system file checker scan to fix and check for any system corrupted files. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Then here type this command sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, hit enter. So this will scan for repair, fix any system corrupted files. So while the process is going on, you should not close the window. You just need to wait for this process to be 100% completed. And once completed, close out of here and just restart your Windows afterwards. Then we can also run the Windows memory diagnostic tool. So for that, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type this mdsched.exe, hit enter. And this is the Windows memory diagnostic tool. So just simply click on this restart now and check for problems, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.